Hey there, everybody. I saw this post recently on Chief Talk, posted by MrDucks, and he actually got his question answered pretty quickly, but the plan that he attached presented opportunities for me to show a few things to mostly just people learning how to use software that I think could be helpful. Hey all, this is Steve, and I thought I'd use MrDucks' plan here to do a couple of little quick tips here for people. Experts will know this, but I just want to, I think there's going to be a lot of new people here in the next few weeks. So the first thing he did here is he painted this wall. This is a concrete wall. If you look at the wall type, 8-inch concrete stem wall, but he's got siding on it because what he did is he just took, he just took his paintbrush here, picked a material and painted it like that. And so when you open it, it shows like that, but when you look at the wall definition, it's just 8-inch concrete. And it's really hard to change unless you know what to do. And so you come over here to the Materials tab and select the surface with this finish on it, and then hit Select Material. And you have to go to the Library Materials tab up here. And once it opens, you click on Use Default Material, and it'll default back to the wall type material. And then, again, you can just take this and paint it if you want, but that's not a good way of doing it. So see, look at default concrete. So here, click here, and come on, computer, hit Use Default Material, default concrete. There you go. So that's the thing about painting walls. When you paint walls, you have to understand that you can't just change the wall type. Like to CMU block, say we got block on the inside, it won't change the part that's been painted. It's still siding. So you have to go to the Materials tab, click here, Use Default Material. Once it pops up here, takes a second. And there you go. Now this is a concrete block wall, but you change it back to the default wall type, which is concrete stem wall. And there you go. The second thing here, some people have noticed that the siding here doesn't line up with this wall. And it isn't because of an alignment problem, because the main layer of this wall is aligned with this wall, but this wall doesn't have any siding on it. So what I would do here is create a new wall type. Just copy this, rename this plus siding, and then click here and hit Insert Above, and then move up so it's not on the main layer. Then Insert Above. Let's do 2 layers. The first layer we're going to make, we're going to use plan material here and go fur 24 on center, and I'm not going to give it a fill at all. And we're going to make that 7/16, and then we'll make this the gray 3 siding and make it a 1/2 inch, and that should line up. Maybe use an angle hatch here, maybe 1 inch so it's not so tight. And there you go, you got siding on this wall now, and it aligns with the wall above. And so if you just click on this wall here and change the wall type to plus siding, it aligns and it's all fixed. So that's just a little quickie here using MrDucks' plan. I guess I might have time here to say shutters like this. You pulled the shutters in as fixtures, which I don't know why. If I were you, oops, deleted the window, not the shutters. I would just, let's just open these here. Go to the Shutters tab and go to the bonus catalog exterior shutters and pick something. I don't know. Let's use this recessed double panel. And there you go. They lay flat. You don't have to worry about it. So this shutter gives you the ability to paint them 3 different colors, as you can see. But anyway, that's how I would do the shutters. So there's a couple quick tips using MrDucks plan, and there's a lot of things on this plan. I might make another video.